Hi everyone, today we are going to solve a case, a very small problem, how we have to find out standard deviation. A manufacturer produces soft drink and sell it in cans of 300 ml. Quality control department of the company is interested to test if the filling machine is dispensing 300 ml of the fluid. A sample of 16 cans was collected with following details. So here is, you can see uh, that particular department, quality control department of the company, have picked up 16 at random sample of the cans. Now, what is the value in ml that is reflected in front of all these samples? 303, 299, 297, 301, 301, 300, etc. In the using the information given, determine the following sample standard deviation, not population standard deviation. We are talking about sample standard deviation. So what we have to do to calculate sample standard deviation, a very simple thing. We have to prepare a table. Sample 1 to 16. Here is value, all the values already given in our data set. Then the mean. We are going to calculate mean. How we are going to calculate mean? We have to just add on all the values, those had specified in ml. It would be divided by 16. So now we can get it mean value, and mean value is, you can see, 299.6. I had after summation of all these values divided by 16, I have got the mean value of the sample. Now x minus x bar means, x minus x bar means that is the distance from mean value, distance from the mean value. So now 303 minus 299.6, what is the outcome? 3.4. 299 minus 299, right? That is 0.6 minus 0.6. 297 minus 299.6 minus 2.6. 301 minus 299.6, 1.4, and so on. We are going to calculate x minus x bar, means distance from each value. After that, what we have to do, x minus x bar whole square. 3.4 multiplied by 3.4, you can see here 11.8, minus 0.6 multiplied by whole square of this minus 0.6, 0.3. 2.6 whole square, 6.6. 1.4 whole square, 2.1, and so on. After that, what we have to do, summation of all these values. When I have applied summation of all these values, you can see here 72 is my summation. X minus x bar whole square. These are the values. After that, I had add on all the values. Now final value is 72. Now, what we have to do, simply we are going to apply standard deviation, this simple formula, right? S square summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1. Or we can call it, this is our formula, S under root summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1. Or we can call it S equal to variance, that would be 1 by 2. Here is, you can see, after this standard deviation we have to calculate. So how we have to calculate? 72. 72 means x minus x bar whole square summation 72. You can see I had replaced this value with 72. N minus 1 means total number of sample. My total number of sample is 16. 16 minus 1 means 15. So we will divide 72 divided by 16 minus 1. That means 72 divided by 15. What would be the answer? 4.79. After that, what we have to do, under root of this 4.79, what is the answer? 2.19. So we can say how we had calculated standard deviation. Standard deviation, what is this requirement? Sample standard deviation. So sample standard deviation, a manufacturing company, soft drink and sell it in cans of 300 ml. Quality control just want to check whether it's true or not. and simply dispensing machine, and simply at random they had picked up 16 cans, and after this they had cross-checked all these 16 cans, then find out what is the standard deviation. So standard deviation means all sample 16 sample from each and every value. Standard deviation is 2.9. So I hope you understand how we are going to solve such kind of cases with the help of some more cases, and we can find out standard deviation. So I hope this video would be helpful. Keep watching. Thank you.